edit your avatar, click on your profile picture while in the main menu. Then select My Avatar from the drop-down. This will bring you to the My Avatar page. Here you can edit your current avatar or create a new one entirely. You can also change your display name, which will appear above your head when you're in a session. Let's click Edit. The first option is the body category. Here you can pick your body frame, complexion, and adjust your height. Next, we have the head category. Here you can edit your facial features and haircut, or add on glasses, makeup, or head coverings. You can click on the swatch tabs to try out different colors. Then we have the outfit category. Outfits contain complete outfits, which means you cannot change aspects of them, such as your shoes. You can use the filters to narrow down what you're looking for. For example, if we click on workwear, we will see various professional outfits. If you want control of each individual element of your outfit, you can use the tops, bottoms, and shoes categories instead. In all of the clothes sections, along with the swatches, we also have the logo option that allows you to add set decals to your outfit. If your group has private outfits or decals, you can find them by clicking the My Group tab and selecting your group from the drop-down. When you're happy with your choices, click the exit symbol and confirm by pressing Save and Continue.